Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.784 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.8281 mark, and this movement to the lower side is yet to fully maximize our minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this yellow target area. And before I get further into the technical analysis and to also give you the specific target areas for this second wave, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the long-term outlook on the Polygon Matic chart, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.32 mark, which is down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we saw that 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after peaking in the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.8082 mark and the $0.529 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the charts using this yellow target area. And because of the corrective nature in the formation of this wave 2, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where on the charts you can see that I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we saw the formation of that overshooting wave B. And now my primary scenario is that we are seeing that impulsive wave in the formation of this wave C, in the move that should fully maximize our yellow target area. And once we fully maximize our yellow target area, then from there we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, and also expect to see a 5-wave structure also play out, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And to give you the short-term scenarios, since we have been seeing a bit of a massive breakdown over here, there are chances that we might see a bit of a bounce to the upper side. And the reason as to why I'm saying that, within the formation of this wave C, which is impulsive, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure also play out. And I believe we are seeing such a scenario over here, where we can term this as the wave 1, then a wave 2, then this is the formation of that wave 3. And chances are we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 3, and we can expect a bit of a bounce in the formation of that wave 4, before we can continue heading further down in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize our yellow target area. So there are chances that we might see a bit of a bounce after seeing that massive breakdown in the formation of this wave 4, before we can see another impulsive move to the lower side in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our yellow target area. And I think once we get into the yellow target area, there's no reason for panic, because that will be another perfect entry to get back into Polygon Matic, to be able to ride that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. We also need to keep our eyes on our next key area of support at around the $0.784 mark, because in case we see further breakdown and get into that area of support, in case we lose that key area of support, then I'll be expecting to see a successful retest. And once the retest is in and a success, then we can head further down into the target area to fully maximize it before we can expect our rebound in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Polygon Matic chart. And those are my breakdown targets between the $0.8 mark and the $0.53 to $4 mark, an area that we need to continue holding within it once we break down into that target area, so that we can expect our recovery in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 25 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.